Hello, everyone. It's time for our online lesson. We're going to be working on B flat major things, in particular, exercise 144, London Dairy Air. But before we start, get your instrument. We're going to tune. Here's your A, D, G, C, E. All right, so hopefully you've rewound that as much as you needed to get it nice and tuned. Now, I wanted to go over some of the things that I think we might have skipped last time we worked on London Derriere. Particularly is that if you look in measure 2, it has the Roman numeral 3 under it. That means we stay in third position all the way until 2 measures later where it shows the Roman numeral 1 again. So let's dive right in right here, okay? First measure, we go A, beef, C, D. And beef, as you know, is back here. So you've got whole steps relationship right here. This is pretty much pattern 4. I guess if we had the E flat after that, it would be pattern 3. So if we had the 4th finger in this section, we would be in this position. But notice the whole step relationship right here and right here. This is all the way back to B flat. Very important that you get that set up first and foremost. And then we shift to third position. First finger is going to drive forward to where we just heard our third finger stay. Try that back and forth. This is an exercise. Remember, thumb goes with too. Okay, that's super important. So here's the first part again. Then we drive forward. Then we place 4th finger down. This is a pattern 1. So we've got whole steps here, and we've got half steps here. And then we scoot to the next string over. This may be something that you didn't notice before. As I was practicing, I realized, oh yeah, it still says third position. So, and then 4, 3, 1. That 1 is that G. Check it with your G. There it is, okay? All right, so we just played, and we're on that G. Then we go, whoops. And this is the second time we've played up to that higher G with our 4th finger, okay? Then we come down. Here we are at that B flat. Now this is still in first position, so again, shift, 4. Then we shift back down this time, 3, 1, 3. And this isn't going to be in pattern 1 because second finger needs to play that sharp, that is F sharp, right? Then we shift again. This is 2 measures from the end. Now notice how that F has a natural sign on it. That's not because, jeepers creepers, I'm getting a lot of text messages and not from you guys, so I'm going to turn that to vibrate. Okay, so notice how that F is marked as a natural sign, all right? Natural sign. The natural is just a reminder saying it's not sharp this time. Remember, we had that accidental down here. And then we come up here. Okay, F natural. And you can play the rest of this in third position still. All right, pattern 1. We got right here because second finger needs to be close to third to play that final B flat. Okay? All right. Now, let's talk about the bowing. Unfortunately, we have slurs right next to the times that we shift, so we're going to have to be on our guard for those moments. Okay? Okay, let's break apart the first section. Ready, set. Well, I guess you're just watching, so check this out. Ready, and slur, and then shift, and then you can separate. It's very important that you realize that that part is slurred, whereas before it was separated. This time it's slurred. This shouldn't be new. Then, okay, nice slur there between the half steps. That should be normal because it's just like the beginning, but again, realize it's different in measure 5 or so. And then we shift, or we don't shift down, we go straight here. Okay, so I would highly recommend that you take some time looking at this, mark the finger numbers, especially for the stuff that's in third position. Note what's going on, especially on the other strings. It's easy to know when you're going up, you know, D or A, B flat, C, D, and then D, E. You know, it's easy to know the letter names going up on the same string, but then once you jump right over, oh my gosh, think about how that all works. Look at the back of your book. There should be a fingering chart there that maps out everything on your fingerboard. There should be there should be those resources there for you. But try to figure it out. Just look at the names of the notes, exemplify, rewind what I just did, and you should be okay. All right. Check the announcements, the wordage that I use for the link or the instructions to get to the assignment. I want you to check this on Smart Music, see that you're getting it in tune or not. And again, make sure those parts that are in third position stay in third position. All right, guys? Bye-bye for now.